This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Iris Leith. Be sure to check out this almost new home built in 2023. This well-maintained 3-bedroom plus a den, open concept floor plan, with split bedrooms affords privacy and comfort for all. The main bedroom features an ensuite bath with shower and 2 spacious walk-in closets. The open concept living area with vaulted ceiling combines the kitchen, dining area and great room for easy living and entertaining. The island kitchen boasts beautiful granite counters, soft close cabinet doors, and includes all stainless steel appliances with seating at the island breakfast bar. From the great room you can go through impact-rated sliding doors to relax on the screened lanai overlooking the backyard with plenty of room to design and build your dream pool area. The secondary bedrooms are divided by a compartment bath easily accessible by guests and provides privacy for both bedrooms. This bathroom features a combination tub and shower. Both bedrooms have large double closets for plenty of storage space. The den with French doors will readily accommodate your needs and flexibility for your home office, study, game room, craft room or whatever. The kitchen and garage are separated by the laundry room ready for your washer and dryer plus a storage closet which can be used as a kitchen pantry or extra storage. The home boasts an impact-rated steel garage door and the garage floor is epoxy coated for easy care. The impact-rated front door features an in-glass blind for easy dust-free maintenance. All windows are impact-rated for stress-free living and have white interior blinds. As you approach the home you are greeted with a pavered driveway and front porch area. This home is in a popular area with many new homes all around, and is not in a flood zone. You will find easy access to many venues for entertainment, dining, shopping, and schools. Come. Make this your Florida retreat or permanent home. Call today for your private appointment to view this lovely home and make it your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Iris Leith at 239-443-3160.